You can use this spray on your hair every day for massive hair growth and thickening, and it can either be used on natural hair or permed hair. Hi fam, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Stacy here again. In today's video I will be sharing with you how I properly make my rosemary water, because it has been an awesome addition to my hair care routine. Okay, so because rosemary has so many hair benefits, it has so many benefits for the hair. Rosemary stimulates hair growth and thickening, reduces dandruff and itchy, clears the hair and the scalp, okay, and it helps strengthen and protect hair from damages. Rosemary actually has so many health benefits. So today we'll be using the dried rosemary. It is very hard to get fresh rosemary at where I am, but if you can find it, it is awesome, okay. But you can either use the fresh one or the dry one. So the next thing we'll do is just to add water, and then we'll boil it on fire. I didn't measure it. If you notice, I didn't measure it, so you can add as much as you want and feel comfortable with, okay. After I got it down from the fire, I let it to sit for a while to cool, and then I had to transfer it to the jar that I'll be leaving it in, okay. In order for you to get all the benefits from dried rosemary, you need to leave it to sit at least 24 hours, and that is what I did here. I transferred all of it into a jar, and I'll be leaving it to sit for 24 hours before the spray is actually ready. After 24 hours, you can see the color has actually changed more. It's become darkened, okay. So we need a strainer to strain it out, and your spray is ready. This is a magic spray, and the most beautiful thing is you can actually spray this on whether you have braids on or you have cornrow on, because rosemary has a fantastic smell. I don't know if it's only to me, but it is beautiful. It has a fantastic smell, so I'm comfortable using, unlike clove that has this spicy smell, but for rosemary it has a beautiful smell that I can leave it on my hair and feel comfortable. Please do not forget to hit the like button, and please subscribe for more useful DIYs, okay. And for my return viewers, you guys are awesome. Thank you so much for your support. Thank you. I will see you in the next video for more beautiful DIYs. love and light always.